Good evening, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. And today we have an unboxing from Sterling. You can see the first thingy there is that's a free gift. Candy cane sample soap. And basically it's a bunch of samples. I got some Maggards in the other day, and I didn't show you that. It was like 5 samples, well 6 actually. But one of them, I immediately went to the giveaway pile. It's not even in the line to be used because I already have the full size. And I truly got it just to give to one of you. It's the Taylor Bond Street grapefruit scent. It's just amazing. That little sample, oh, that soap is so good. I love the smell of that thing. So I'm not going to use that one. I've got a full one, a big size, when I liked it so much in trying the samples. So this one is just as a giveaway. And of course the other ones, yes, will have one scoop taken out from them, before I give them away. So you can do the same thing. Maybe you'd be interested in trying them and passing them along as well. That's the idea. So, share the wealth. So today, let's just open this. Without cutting myself. There we go. So the first thing, yeah. Oh, that's bright and pepperminty for a soap. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Then I have 4. It was like a 4-pack. You can get like a 4-pack of aftershaves. So that's what I got, a 4-pack, and we'll see what I got. I mixed it up. So let's see what we got here. The first one is Ramblin' Man. I don't remember the scent profiles, but that's what it is. Ramblin' Man. The next one, well, actually, why don't we go ahead and send it? We got a minute. Do I want to? Let me see here. Nah, it's kind of sealed in there. I'm not gonna unseal it yet. So you'll have to wait till it gets used one of these Saturdays. The next sample is Christmas Eve. Smells a little pepperminty, if I can smell from the outside. Or of course, maybe it's just the soap just on the outside of the bottle too. Who knows? Next one is Gatlinburg. Yeah, it smells pepperminty. It's from the soap. Yeah, so who knows what these really smell like. And the last sample is Bay Rum. I haven't had a Bay Rum in the den since I finished my Phoenix, so I was kind of in the mood for at least a little sample of Bay Rum. Now, the last thing I got, I've had before from other manufacturers and wasn't impressed, but it's been a few years, so it's time to check out some more people. So this one is Solid Cologne Executive Man. So, yeah, I'm interested. This is one of those things, it's just good to put in the desk drawer at work, to have around. I think I used the regular aftershave today. Open it up. It's a good fat tin, look at that. So it's not really huge, but it's fat. I wonder how many ounces that is. Does it say? 1 ounce. That is nice. So here's, whoops, the idea is you rub your finger on it and then give yourself a little spot here. See, I'm just rubbing my finger. So I'm a little behind the ear there. A little behind the ear there. Yeah. I mean, it's light. It's not coming out of a bottle, so yeah, it's not overwhelming. It's nice. Just to touch up a little bit. So I like that. I like the idea of that, and of course it's just it's not like super greasy or anything. It's just from my hand done. I can continue on. Don't feel the need to wash my hands or anything. At my desk, if I'm refreshing like 3 o'clock or something before I come home, I just do that. Yes, that can work. So I'm kind of liking that. So yeah, my idea was to put that in the desk drawer at my office because I'm on my office a couple of days a week. So yeah, it's gonna go in the office. I think that's where it's a good spot for it, and see how it works for me. But that's all I had today. Just a quick, simple little unboxing just to show you what came in from Sterling today for samples. It wasn't Christmas related stuff here really well, other than the kind of the soap a little bit, but that's a free sample. But that's just some of the stuff you're going to see coming up in some of the weekend shaves that I'm going to be using, along with some of the soaps that you haven't seen yet. So I've got that, and there'll be more stuff coming in. There's some stuff coming in for Christmas, which you won't see until Christmas, maybe probably the day after Christmas. I may not open it on Christmas Day, so it may not happen until the day after Christmas. So something to look forward to. So, but yeah, and actually, let me run this by you too, because what I'm thinking about doing is not opening any gifts on Christmas Day. Just leave it for Christ our Savior. Just leave that day for Him, and not do any of that. I mean, I'm not a kid. I've got a few patience. I think I can wait for the next day. Not a problem. It's just if you guys will have to wait as well with me. So, but just a thought that's throwing that out there, just to see your insights. I'm just curious, what do you do for Christmas? That's kind of just keeping with Christ and as the focus and all. So I'm just curious. Throw it out there. Or those who are not Christians, what you do. I have family members who are not Christians that are Jews or are other things. So it's like, I'm curious, what do you do? So with that, I will say go with God.